Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another edition of Quick Pick Thursday. And I just got a bunch of these Corbin cabinet locks in. They're not new. They didn't come with keys, but they came in these little packages. And I just assigned them letters for to show the different ones. So it's a Corbin cabinet lock. It's a wafer lock, and of course this is Quick Pick Thursday, and if I want a quick pick, a wafer lock is a good choice for quick picking. Anyway, we'll see. I haven't picked this one, but I should be able to get a little bit of tension on there. These only have wafers on the top. So I have a bit of a false set. We're not open. There we go. It was like about where 4 would be on a pin tumbler. Very quick pick. Let's try bottom of the keyway. That'll work. And I'll try this pick. So I put enough tension to get that slop out of the core. And then I just start feeling wafers. Okay, we're in that false set again. And I hit a different one this time. It didn't feel like 4 or 3. Might have been 3. So let's try something else. I say we try the snowman because that works so well on challenge locks. Actually, the snowman is probably more suited to wafer locks than challenge locks, if I can get in there. And we're right in. See that? This works on challenge wafer locks. What else could I do to this poor thing? I'm going to go back to the top of the keyway. Just for... So you take the slop out. I'm going to try my pick pen, my Southward pen pick. And it has sort of these half snowman-y things on there. In our false set, hit number 2. Oh, we're not done yet. Thought we were there. Hit somebody in the back. I like this. It picks different every time. So this is a little Corbin cabinet lock, wafer lock. They don't come apart, I don't think. I won't be raking the core out of this like I did last week. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's another Quick Pick Thursday. And just a few, oh wait, I didn't try the one I'm auditioning here, or not auditioning, but really working on learning about the Echo Wave, the Law Lock Tools Echo Wave. So let's see if we can rake into there. And that is the fastest yet. So there you go. Another Quick Pick Thursday. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. We will see you next time.